Welcome to the in front of me Realme GT Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here we can see the ringtone volume panel, and now just to turn off or to mute our device ringtone volume, we should swipe to the left side this dark dot. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first you should go here to the advanced settings and click in the volume button function and switch the media volume to the ringtone volume if you got selected the media, so just switch it here. And now just by press our down volume button here on the left side of our device, we can also mute our device ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way. Just press the up or down volume button and you will see here this volume panel, and after that you can also swipe to the down this volume panel, and by this way we can also mute our device ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.